Smuggling allegations, missing documents, and a controversial contractor. The Diskaya family is once again under scrutiny, this time for their fleet of luxury vehicles. Our Patrick De Jesus reports.
15 out of 30 luxury cars owned by the Diskayas, who are now considered to be controversial contractors implicated in alleged anomalous flood control projects, are lacking documents. This was the finding of the Bureau of Customs, which now has custody of the said luxury vehicles. 8 of them are now considered smuggled because they have no payment certification and no import entry. These include a Rolls-Royce, Toyota Tundra, Toyota Sequoia, Mercedes-Benz Brabus, Lincoln Navigator, Bentley Bentayga, and Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series. The Diskayas, as well as the importers of the vehicles, were given 15 days to present the proper documents before the BOC issues a warrant of seizure and detention.
Pag hindi kami satisfied or hindi maganda yung kanilang pagkakapaliwanag, tutuloy po tayo ng seizure proceedings. At this point, mukhang doon na rin naman patungo yung direksyon na yan eh. Binibigyan lang natin ng pagkakataon yung consignees na pinagbilahan ito at yung mismong owners ngayon.
Pwede din namang outright pinasok. No? Marami tayong shorelines eh. Pwedeng ipinasok yan through some other means. No? So, makikita namin yung complete picture, sabi nga ni Commissioner, no? Once we get to the next phase of the investigation.
7 of the luxury vehicles, meanwhile, had import entries filed in Batangas, Cebu, Manila, and MICP. But since they lack payment certification, there are possible tax violations. One car that was just surrendered last night is still being examined, while documents of 14 others are complete, but is still not cleared under the ongoing scrutiny of the BOC.
Una-una, tama ba yung mga pinagbayaran? Kung yung pinagbayaran lang ang pinag-usapan natin, pwede na sana yun. Kaya lang, kung mali ang mga dokumento na naging basehan ng pagbabayad, kahit pa tama ang binayaran mo, hindi rin ganun kasimple. Merong criminal aspect yon. So, not that simple.
More than 10 personnel of the BOC are also under investigation to determine how these vehicles with incomplete documents slipped through.
Again, persons of interest pa lang yan. Ano? At titingnan natin, pagpapaliwanagin natin kung bakit nakalusot or dumaan sa kanila yung mga sasakyan nang hindi nagkaroon ng tamang dokumento at hindi nagbayad ng tama. Doon sa mga ganun yung sitwasyon. No? We will have to make even our own people accountable.
Also under BOC investigation are 4 officials of the Department of Public Works and Highways who are also allegedly owners of luxury vehicles. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a New and Better Philippines.